Hi friends, today I am with the iPad Air 5th Gen which comes with the M1 processor. We will talk about this everything, but before that I will also tell you in this video we are going to unbox the Apple Air which is 5th Gen and also the Apple Pencil 2nd Gen. We will also talk about the tips and the tricks what the Apple Air 5 is going to offer, and also show you the accessories what I have bought including the Apple Pencil 2.0. Now coming to this, here you can see it has a gorgeous back panel, and it comes with a glass front, aluminum back panel and aluminum frame. It comes with a 20-watt charger. It has a type C to type C connectivity. In the box we are getting some paperwork including the user guide and also some stickers. So here you can see that too. If you talk about the colors, it will be coming in color like space gray, starlight, pink, purple and blue. So we are having the blue color. It doesn't come with any NFC. It has the stereo speakers. Here you can see both the cable port are coming with type C. Now if we talk about the display, it comes with the 10.9-inch liquid retina IPS LCD display. It has a 500 nits of brightness. It comes with a 60 Hz refresh rate. It has a 4K display where you are getting 1640 into 2360 pixels. It is a scratch resistant and also oleophobic coating is there. Here you can see the power button is also the fingerprint, which is the touch ID button, and I'm trying to set up one finger here. After setting it up, it will tell you to rotate your iPad and then set up another finger for unlocking the device. So it will be very convenient for both the hands while using it in a landscape or a portrait mode. Unfortunately, Apple Air 5th Gen will not offer you the Face ID. Now we have already set up all the things. Even there is a software update which is the iPad OS 15.4.1. So I will let it done. But in the box we are getting a iPad OS 15.4. Here we have the Apple Pencil 2.0. You have to purchase this separately. It doesn't come with the box. So I have purchased that separately. The price of this is 10,900 bucks and it is available on the Apple official website. If we talk about the Apple Pencil, the best part is that you can engrave your initials and also you can engrave emoticons whatever you like. It is written double tap to change modes. I will definitely recommend you guys to check this out and have a look on the user guide before using it. This will be definitely useful for you guys. And this is what we are getting, some more paperwork also included, including the safety guide and the instruction manual. Here you can see the Apple Pencil 2.0 is in our hand. It comes with a wrapper. I will take out the polythene wrap and you can engrave any name whatever you want. So this is what we are getting in the Apple Pencil. Now if you stick that Apple Pencil on the portrait mode, it will start charging. So this is the way you have to charge. It will charge and it will stick magnetically, and it has only one flat surface though, so that flat surface should be attached with the iPad. Now if you want to scribble, you can go to the settings. In that there is an option of Apple Pencil and you can write directly, scribble, delete, select. So you can test your Apple Pencil there, and I will definitely recommend to check this out. It works properly for me. And now if we talk about one of the most useful app, that is called Sketchbook, which is available for all the iPads. I will definitely recommend you guys to check this app. It has too much for the creative person. This is a completely free app and this is not the promotional video, but I do really like the app and I will definitely suggest you to check this on all your iPads, and definitely it is a useful app. But other than this, I will also show you few more features what the Apple Pencil can do. So what the Apple Pencil can do, so if you slide your pencil from the left bottom corner, here you can see you can take the screenshot, and this is not a normal screenshot. You can also edit in that. You can write if you want something. Currently I will show you few things like that. If you want, you can put a signature. This is not my real signature, so don't worry. You can put the signature. You can here you can see you can enlarge it also. You can draw some sketch on that too. You can also add some text if you want to. Then later on you can also add some description. So it gives a lot of features if you are a proper user with the Apple Pencil, and you can magnify the text also. So this is a very useful and the creative tool, and definitely those who like to draw something, if you draw a circle and hold it for a long time, you can see the solid shapes will be visible here. So you can also draw squares, triangles, rectangles. And if you swipe your Apple Pencil from the right side bottom corner, you can bring up the note. In that also, there you can see the keyboard comes, and you can choose the Apple Pencil option. You can type, you can write, you can undo, you can change the pen also. There are colors which can be picked. So currently I will show you. I have picked the red color and will write with the red color. So this is very easy and definitely usable for taking up the notes. Even if you talk about the notes, there is a handwriting and there is also a normal writing which will take your input as a keyboard word. Here you can see I am just writing hey and it will take a normal hey. So the writing will be there, handwriting can be changed to a typing word. So here you can see if it you can do a handwriting, it will take a keyboard input kind of thing. So this is what another feature what you are getting. Talking about the Apple Pencil charging, it will charge only when it is connected with the iPad, and it will not charge with any external output power. So that is one thing you have to remember forever. So now I will also show you one more thing. If you draw a circle and hold it, you can see it will be in the solid circle. This applies for note also. Now coming to one more thing, if you go to the settings, in that you have some few things you can do. Coloring, you have the different kinds of pen, you can play all these things, but I have given you a better option. You are getting a sketchbook app. In this you can do all these things but with better, more features. So this completely free app, sketchbook, and it is available for iPad only. Talking about the iPad, it comes with a very useful feature. Currently I have put that in a portrait mode. So the top button is acting as the volume up button and the bottom one is acting as the volume down button. But as soon as I rotate the display here, you can see it changes dynamically. So currently now the volume up becomes act as a volume down button and the volume down button acts as a volume up button. This is for the landscape mode. Now talking about the RAM, it comes with the 8 GB of RAM. There are two storage variant option, which is a 64 GB and 256 GB. Currently what I purchased is the 256 GB. There will be two variants. One is a 5G variant and another is a Wi-Fi variant. We are having the Wi-Fi variant. And talking about the battery, it comes with the 28.6 watt hour battery, which is a lithium ion. It has a 20 watt charger. It comes with the Bluetooth 5.0. And here you can see it has a M1 processor, and multitasking is very smoothly. Here you can see you can switch it to single app, you can switch to multiple apps, or you can also switch to triple apps running together. It is very easy. You have to learn it, the gesture sensor, and there are few more things in the gesture. It can be done. It will not take much time to get you learn and used to the UI. Those who have used iOS, definitely this will be very convenient for them. And it comes with a lot of gesture feature. It also has some widgets which you guys can check later on. And you can see there is a control center where you can also configure. I basically configure whatever I like to have on my iPhone for the control center. Now here what I am going to show is something what you have seen earlier in the iPhone also. This is for the iPhone also. You can type some words, and once you type, if you pinch in, it will copy. If you will pinch out, it will paste. Here you can see I am pasting. It is very easy. If you swipe three fingers from right to left, it will do undo. If you swipe from right to left three fingers, it will do redo. If you swipe complete display, here you can see you can switch with the apps, which is definitely a useful thing. Even if you swipe in the keyboard, if you pinch in the keyboard, it will go and it will shorten the keyboard. If you pinch out, it will the keyboard will become a bigger one. So it was also a useful feature. Even if you go to the my files here, if you put it favorite, here you can see the pages one I have put into the favorite zone, and you can untick also. Now talking about the one of the most important feature, which is a focus mode. You can use that in the iPad OS 15.4, and you just have to go to the focus. You can select, and you can also make your custom name focus with the color. You can also pick the emoticons for that. You can give a name to that focus type, and like you are putting photography, those who can call you, your favorite contacts, each and everything can be done from here. And definitely this is a useful feature, and you are also getting a lots of widgets in this. And first of all, you can do universal search, but just with swiping on the home screen. Here you can see that too. If you talk about the widgets, you can add widgets from the plus button, and there are too many widgets. You can add those widgets whichever you like on your screen. Currently I am not playing with that one. Even you can change your home screen also. You get Apple Library. This gives you a complete interface which looks a lot like iOS. Volume down and power button together can restart your device, and here you can see it will ask the code, so you can press the code currently. Power button plus volume down button will also take the screenshot. Power down and the volume up button will give you the restart menu. Pressing on the power button for a longer time, it will activate the Siri, where you can talk with Siri and ask your questions. The best feature what you're getting with the iPad is from the 15.4 iPad OS is that the center stage. Here you can see I am switched off the center stage, and it will go directly, and it will not follow me. Once I put it on the center stage, the camera will follow me and put the focus on my face. So while doing the FaceTime, it will be more focus on your face, and definitely this is one of the most useful feature while doing the FaceTime. I've already showed you Apple Pencil 2, but other than that, I have purchased a back cover, which is also kind of this, which you can see it priced only 2,200 bucks on Amazon. This is from ECR. I will definitely show you the quality of the product first and what are the contents you are getting. ECR case, you are also getting the camera cover, which is given separately. This is for both iPad Pro also and iPad Air also. You just can switch that directly and manually also. Here you can see I'm just taking out the polythene wrap, and this is for the iPad Pro. I just have to take that one out and fix this one. So both the cameras will be on the right side, and it has a LiDAR sensor also available. So currently I will paste it like that. It is very easy, and the Apple Pencil can be also placed on the side, but right now I will show you how to place the tablet inside the case. It is very easy. It can be done by you also. You don't need any third party person or a shopkeeper to do that. So this is how it will take place. Once it is done, you can do the unlocking also while using it. You can change the volume up and down using this case, and even I will show you. Here you can see the volume up and down works completely fine. Now talking about the Apple Pencil, yes, the Apple Pencil do charge while it is placed in the case. Here you can see the charging is already shown. You can also mount your Apple Pencil on the case like this, and it can be done. So it will take only few minutes to know your tablet case. But right now I will also show you the front part thing, what the front part can do. So the front part is basically, as you can see, it looks like a smart folio case. It can be a stand at the back. I will show you how you can make it as a stand, and this will also help you while watching anything, watching movie, series, or maybe on YouTube. So that is the best part. And even you can also take off the back panel. I will show you that also. It is very easy, but resting on it and doing the viewing work, or you can also do the typing if you have an external keyboard, it is very easy. By this is a magnetic strip. You can take off the front cover and you can keep like this also. But for the safety of your display, I will definitely recommend you to use the front protection too. As soon as you take off the front flip cover, your display will be on, so that is also a good thing. It is working completely fine. Even you can put that in different angles, so this is also one more angle while using. So this is all about in this video regarding the iPad Air unboxing, all the cool features and the accessories what we have used. Talking about the pricing of all the products, it will be given in the description section below. This is all about the iPad Air 5th Gen with M1. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.